Hello. So today we will be discussing the differential, no? What is its difference with the derivative? So and its application. So konting review lang muna tayo, no? What is a derivative, 'di ba? Alam naman natin the derivative, it is defined to be the rate of change of a variable as a result of very small change in its input. Now, say we have the derivative of y in respect to x, that is equivalent to y prime of x, 'di ba? So the derivative, it is also defined as the ratio of the change in two quantities, no? So say dy over dx, 'di ba? Yun yung mga ways of writing natin ng derivative natin. So, etong dy, yung ratio of change, no, from the word ratio of change. No, so we can say that dy and dx are changes of two quantities respectively, no? So, with that, no, doon papasok yung concept ng ating differential. A differential is defined as the change occurring in a quantity. Say the differential of quantity y is dy and the differential of quantity x is dx. No, so if we are going to ask, no, what is the change in this specific variable, we are going to look for the differential. Okay, and the differential, no, so the differential, ang ginagawa lang natin sa differential is you're just going to get the derivative of the function in respect to that variable, kung ano man yung variable ng function natin, multiplied to dx or dy, no? So, ayun, no, in dx or dy. So, depende kung ano yung hinahanap, no? So let's try to solve para mas ma-appreciate natin. So we have here, find the differential of y is equal to x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x. No, so isa-isa, no, just hindi katulad to ng derivative na as a whole natin i-differentiate, no, yung ating function. Kay differential, guys, isa. Ito muna, then ito. Okay, then what's the differential of dy? Of course, that is, y, that is dy. Diba? This is equal to 3x squared. The differential of this function in terms of x minus 4x squared plus 5, minus 8x plus 5 multiplied to dx. This is the differential. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, ganyan siya. So, or, pwede natin gawin is, kunin muna natin yung derivative, diba? This will become dy over dx equivalent to 3x squared minus 8x plus 5. Then, multiply both sides by dx para makancel natin yung dx dito. We will be treating dx as if it is an algebraic constant. No? Parang ganun yung idea. So, therefore, we will arrive with the same answer above. Now, dy is equal to 3x squared minus 8x plus 5. So, ganun lang naman kasimple yung ating differential. No? So, wait lang. Ayan, need to charge the tab. So, let's proceed to example number 2. Find the differential of the function y is equal to 2x over 3x minus 1. So, kunin muna natin derivative. Sige, ganun method ang gawin natin. Kunin natin yung derivative, d over dx. So, we have y prime is equal to v du, di ba? Ang derivative, y prime is equal to v du minus u dv over v squared. Since this is quotient rule, diba? So we have v du, that is 3x minus 1 times 2 minus 2x times 3. Diba? It's the derivative of 3x minus 1 all over 3x minus 1 quantity squared. So simplify. So we have 6x minus 2 minus 6x over 3x minus 1 quantity squared. Diba? So, cancel si 6x kasi magkaiba sila ng sign but they have same magnitude. So, this is our answer. dy over dx is equal to negative 2 over 3x minus 1 quantity squared. But since we are looking for the differential, we need to multiply yung dx para makancel to. So, therefore, we have dy is equivalent to negative 2 dx over 3x minus 1 quantity squared. No, so this is the answer. Same rules, same application of derivatives, no? So, ano lang, yung change na mismo ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. No? So, ayan. Okay, then, eto, no? So, find the differential. Y is equal to x cubed minus 5x plus 10 and evaluate when x is equal to 2 and dx is equal to 1/4. No? So, we have y is equal to x cubed minus 5x plus 10. So, let's get the derivative. So, we have y prime is equal to 3x squared minus 5. Okay, alam naman natin this is also equivalent to dy over dx minus 5. Then, let's multiply dx para makancel to. dy is equal to 3x squared minus 5 times dx. Okay, but we have values of x and dx here. X is equal to 2, dx is equal to 1/4. So, we have dy is equal to 3 times 2 squared minus 5 times 1 over 4. Diba? So, this is equivalent to 2 squared is 4 times 3 is 12. Diba? Minus 5 is 7. So, we have 7 over 4. This is the value of dy. Ayan. So, yan o, ganun lang siya kadali. So, ano lang, nagkaroon lang tayo extra step that we need to multiply dx para mahiwalay natin siya kay dy. Kasi we're already talking about the change, not the ratio of change. No? So, another one, we have here the applications. No? So, compute square root of 37 approximately by using differential. Okay, so, si dy, no? We need to remember this is the change. Now, so, and if you're going to talk about change, this is the original function plus ito yung change natin, 'di ba? Yung delta y. Okay? And we have square root of 37. This is equal to y plus dy. Okay, our dy is the change, no? So, then we have, say 37 is equal to x plus dx. Okay, where x is a perfect square nearest to 37. No? So, this is a perfect square near to, say 37. No? So, alam naman natin, no? So, ano ba yung isang perfect square? Dito muna tayo, no? Focus tayo dito kay 37 is equal to x plus dx. Ano yung nearest perfect square na malapit kay 37? Diba? Ano may mga perfect square natin? So, we have 4, diba? We have 9, 16, 25, 36. Then, ano susunod kay 36? 49 na. Diba? This is 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared, 7 squared. No, so we can say pinakamalapit kay 37 is 36 obviously. So we have 37 is equal to 36 plus ano yung kulang natin ka 36 para maging 37 siya, obviously 1. That is our dx. No, so with that, no, so we say ganun din yung sa kabila. Diba? So, roughly, no? So, we can equate y is equal to square root of x. Okay? So, kasi nga, perfect square si x. So, we can use this idea. So, we have y is equal to square root of 36, which is equivalent to 6. Tama? So, nasettle na natin. Alam na natin yung value ng y. We just need the value of dy. So, si dy naman, no? So, we have dy. Let's get the differential, no? Let's get the derivative, then get the differential. No? So, we have dy over dx is equivalent to 1 over 2 square root ni x. Diba? Yun ang derivative natin. So, multiplying both sides by dx. So we'll have dy is equal to dx over 2 square root ni x. We already have the value of x. We have the value of dx, right? So we can substitute them. So we have 1 over 2 square root ng 36. Diba? So we have 1 over 2 times 6. So we have 1 over 12. Okay? We have the value of y. We have the value of dy. So we can approximately get the value of square root of 37. So we have square root of 37 is equivalent to 6 plus 1 over 12, which is roughly equivalent to, that is 72 plus 1, 72 over 12, plus 1 over 12, approximately equal to, square root of 37 is approximately equal to 73 over 12. Now, this is our answer. Yeah. So, we can use the differential to get the approximated value of certain square roots or cube roots, no, depende no, kung ano yung hinahanap. So, with this, yan, our answer, square root of 37 is equivalent to 73 over 12. Okay? So, that is roughly 6.803 if I am not mistaken. Ayan. Okay, then, we have this last example. Sorry, not last, but second to the last. So, we have find the approximate value of the function y is equal to x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3 when x is equal to 2.01. Now, so, say we have y is equal to, let's get, sige, plus 2x squared minus 3. Then, let's get the derivative. Hence, we have dy over dx is equal to 3x squared plus 2 times, 2 tama. 2 times 2 is 4x minus 0. No? So, this is already a constant. Isil na natin, sulat natin dito. Ayan. Then, gawin ko na lang puti pala. dy over dx 3x squared plus 4x. No? Then, let's multiply dx para mahiwalay natin, no, si dy. dy is equal to 3x squared plus 4x dx. Now, we have the value of x, but is this really the value of x? Kasi remember, we need to have the value of dx as well for us to compute for dy. Diba? So, with that, no, so, ang gagawin natin is, paghihiwalayin natin, no, so, paghihiwalayin natin yung, eto, approximately, no, so, say, this is equivalent to x plus delta, dx, so we have 2 plus 0.01, no, yan yung, ano natin, so we have x is equal to 2, dx is equal to 0.01, so we have, so we can now get the value of dy. dy is equivalent to 3 times 2 squared plus 4 times 2 times 1 over, this is 1 over 100. So, roughly dy is equivalent to 2 squared is 4 times 3 is 12 plus 8, that is 20 over 100. So, roughly, this is equivalent to 1 over 5. So, that's our dy. No? So, we need, ang hinahanap kasi natin, hindi ko pala nasulat kanina, is y plus dy. No? We need to find the value of y. No? So, dito kay y na to, dito sa original function natin, ang gagamitin natin is ito buo. No? So, we have 2.01. So, we have y is equivalent to 2 point, sorry. Also, the value of x na rin pala. Same lang pala. Sorry. We have 2 cube plus 2 times 2 squared minus 3. So, roughly, this is equivalent to 8 plus 8 minus 3, which is equivalent to 13. So, we have y plus dy is equivalent to 13 plus 1 over 5, which is equivalent to, this is roughly 65 over 5 plus 1 over 5. So, 66 over 5. No? So, roughly, this is equivalent to how much? That is 66 over 5. 13.2. No, ayan. 13.2. But this is the answer that we will accept. Okay, so ano yung iniwasan natin dito? Yung mag-multiply, magkaroon tayo ng, yung gamitin natin yung 0.01 sa cube at saka sa square. Kasi di ba medyo masakit siya sa ulo tawag dito, i-evaluate diretso. No, so, ayan. Okay? So, kahit i-calculate ninyo, no, ito yung makukuha natin. Okay? So, yun. Last example, no? So, we have, no? Number 6. Each side of a square is increased by delta x, no? So, find the approximate and true increase of the area A of the square. So, we all know the formula of the area is s squared. Diba? Kapag ka-square, yung pinag-uusapan natin. Okay, so, by getting the derivative, no? Or getting the derivative, so this is equivalent to d over ds. Diba? dA over ds is equal to 2s. So, getting the differential, so multiply tayo ds, cancel to. So, we have dA is equal to 2s ds. Okay? So, this equation, etong dA is equal to 2s ds, this is what we call our approximate increase. No? So, we have our approximate increase. So, we need no numerical value kasi wala namang given. So, approximate increase. Ayan. So, excuse me. We just need to find the value of the true increase. No, so, for the true increase, no, so, what we will have is, we will have our original value, original equation, A is equal to S squared. Then, what we will do is, we're going to substitute, parang yun sa yung sa 4-step rule, substitute natin yung change, no? So, we have S plus DS. DS is the change, diba? Square minus S square. Okay, so this is for the true change, no? So, we have dA. Ayan. So, expanding this one, so we'll have S squared plus 2S ds plus ds squared minus S squared. So, cancel na to. So, therefore, we have dA is equal to 2S ds plus the change squared. No, so this is the true increase. True increase. So bakit tayo nagkaroon ng true increase and approximate increase? Remember guys, ds is a very small change. Tama? And kahit pa i-square natin, lalo pag in-square natin, say 0.01, no, pag in-square natin to, ano lalabas? 0.0001, no? Lalong liliit. So, Kaya siya nagkaroon ng approximate and true increase. Approximate, we are disregarding the very very small change, no? So yung inad, no, yung added change ang dinisregard natin. Sa true increase, we are considering all of that, no? So say kunwari, no, so let's have a graphical a figure, no, to represent yung na-solve natin kanina. And say this is our original square, no? So this is S, this is S. Then sabi nga natin, no, magdadagdag tayo ng small change dito sa taas, tsaka dito sa baba. Diba? This is DS. This is also DS. Okay, yung approximate change natin, ito lang yung i-consider natin, na hindi natin pa nakikita to. Ayan. So, this is S. This is S. Diba? And if we're going to have this one, so we have 2S DS. Diba? Ito, yung approximate change natin, ito lang. Ito yung shade ko, ha? Ito. Ayan. This is our approximate change, diba? That is 2S DS. If we're going to combine them. Then, ito, yung missing part na to, this is, kasama, kapag sinama natin to, yun yung true change natin, no? So, this is DS squared, diba? DS, DS. DS, DS. Ayan. So, itong very small portion na to, yun yung plus DS squared. Okay? So, this is the approximate. This is the entire true change. Okay? So, that's it, no? So, that's the end of the lecture for the differential. I hope you guys learned something. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and God bless.